Good morning, everybody. It is freezing cold today. So, what I'm going to be doing today is a radiator flush. I cleaned my radiator once when I first bought the car. I haven't cleaned it probably like 2 years, but I didn't clean it correctly, so I'm going to do it the right way. This is what I'm going to use, the flush cleaner. And then I'm going to go install some other parts on the car. I'll show you guys in a second. Look at this weather. It's so freaking cold. Just rained last night. But yeah, let's get it done. See you guys later. Peace. I don't have a funnel, so had a makeshift something. Washing it out. Throwing crap in it. Put some milk in my engine up. Alright, here we go again. It's time to do this thing. It's all wet because it rained last night. So cold over here. Bay Area had pretty decent weather. But yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, this is what I'll be working on today. Gotta install these to the rear bumper. I think I just gotta trim my bumper a little bit. And it should fit on easily from what I saw. Alright, we'll get to it in a second. See you guys soon. Yo, grabbed my marker. I'm gonna be lowering the car later, so I'm gonna mark my little bolts here so I remember where it goes later. Yep. Alrighty guys, I'll be working on this side first. I just gotta cut this little thing off so that little carbon fiber lip can fit flat on there. Yep, so I'll just chop that off real quick. Let me position you guys and get to it. Alrighty, let's get to it. The grinder again. Let's do this. All done. That's all I needed. Yeah, was it? Oh, I don't even know if I was recording, but here it is. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? Not too bad. Quick, easy mod. That's okay. Still work in progress. My project car. What's going on, guys? I'm back. I just knocked out the other side, so finished it up, cleaned up a little bit. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? budget build setup. Looking pretty mean. I'm liking it. Leave comments below. What do you think? Looking spicy. Can't wait to get it on the road again. I haven't driven it since I put a whole bunch of stuff on it. Like these little bumper fins, little bumper, what is it, diffuser thingies. This little side skirt, and this whole wrap. The front diffuser, front splitter. Got one more thing to add in front, the little bars. Bought some red bars I can put on the front. Yep. Can't wait to get it back on the road and show you guys. Hopefully she runs good and don't break down on me. Hopefully I'm a good mechanic. Alright guys, I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Breakfast, lunch. I haven't eaten yet, so peace out. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Later.